Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And today we have a beginner friendly closure wig install, and this is actually going to be a glueless wig install, so I'm super duper excited. And you guys, this hair is from Beauty Forever. I will leave a link down below in the description box to this unit. She is a 99J color and about 20 to 22 inches. She is straight. She does have a lace closure, so you really only have a part down the middle of the unit. And first I'm going to press the unit out. Now she does look a little bit wavy, and that is because I did co-wash her. I always co-wash my wigs. You guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I just can't take it out of the package and just throw it on my head. I'd be scared. So I always co-wash my wigs, let it sit in conditioner overnight and let it air dry. So I'm going to be doing the chase method to actually straighten the unit. And basically what I'm doing is placing my comb in front of my flat iron, and I am using a iron titanium flat iron on 390 degrees. And I'm just basically going to be chasing the comb with the flat iron, aka the chase method. Okay, you guys, so I know she is picking up more of like a burnt reddish color on camera, but I promise you guys she is more on the burgundy side. She is not red. I really was just looking for something different, just tired of the lace fronts, you guys, and I just wanted to give you guys a very beginner friendly install. Guys, the key to really getting your hair as straight as possible is the sectioning and doing small sections, or at least an inch to an inch and a half size for the sections. I did use heat protectant all throughout the wig, and a oil, the Garnier Fructis oil. I did put that in the hair as well, not too much because we don't want to weigh the hair down, and we just want to make sure that it is as straight as possible. So again, I'm just taking my comb and I'm going to be chasing my comb with my flat iron. And you guys, let me know down below in the comments, what other wig styles do you guys want me to try out? It's definitely coming up on springtime sooner or later, so I'm really looking forward to doing some more pastel color looks for you guys. So definitely drop me some comments down below of some things that you guys want to have me try out. And now we are getting closer to the top of the unit. And as I get to the top of the unit, I'm just making sure I'm taking my time to press that wig out. And you guys, with this unit, it did have a couple of flyaways, so I would suggest if you grab this unit yourself, make sure that you get some hairspray and just lightly spray some hairspray, or got to be free spray, lightly though, so that way you can tame those flyaways. And once I'm at the top of the unit, I'm just going to use my hot comb to further reinforce that flatness. I want to get it as flat as possible. And now I'm going to tint the lace. I'm going to be using the Ebin lace tint in the shade medium brown. And now I'm going to be applying the wig. So I'm just grabbing some edge control to smooth back my edges with my edge brush. And you guys, I always tell you, a fresh set of cornrows is going to be your best friend when it comes to laying down your wigs, especially if you have really thick curly hair. It's going to just help make everything lay flawlessly. And now I'm going in with a nude stocking cap, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is nice and in place before we get started. Did actually go in with some more lace tint spray by Slay Your Bae. I think that's how her Instagram name is. And I just used my blow dryer to further dry the lace tint spray. I will link that product down below. I do really like using that tint spray as well when it comes to my human hair wigs. So now I'm just going to be cutting off the lace off the back of the unit and actually sliding her on. And you guys, this unit did fit pretty snug. It actually fit very snug. So I do have a 22-inch circumference head. So if you do have the same head size as me, this wig will definitely fit. And if your head is smaller, of course, it will fit as well. And here are all the goodies that they also included with my wig: a brush, another wig cap, and a couple of scarves. And they also included a pair of lashes as well. And today, you guys, I'm going to be trying the Eben wig lace spray. This is my first time using this product, so I was pretty skeptical, but I'm applying it just as if I would apply Got To Be Free spray, spraying one section at a time and then going in with my blow dryer to further reinforce that hold. And now I'm going to be applying an elastic band just to secure and further melt this lace. And you basically want the band to stay on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So once I come back, I'm gonna cut the lace off with you guys, and that's pretty much it for this install. Very easy, beginner friendly. You literally can do this in about 20-30 minutes tops. So now I'm gonna be using an eyebrow razor to cut off the lace. I pretty much cut half of the lace off first, and then I go back in with smaller sections to get the rest of the lace off. And when it comes to the closure units, you really don't have to leave that much lace on. But I just like to make sure I have just a little bit of lace up there. Not a lot, but just enough to actually like hold the lace down to my forehead. And if you have any white residue like that, you can just wipe it away with alcohol. And you guys, here are the final results of this beginner-friendly glueless closure wig install. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Of course, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay popping. And I will catch y'all in my next video.